My dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you. Home tutor is with you. We are going to start lesson 23 or 23 of grade 9 CBSE curriculum. Al-Laib, the player. Okay, or Al-Laibu, the player. I request you to subscribe my channel and like my video and tell to your friends also. It's you will get hasanat and or it's just like a charity. Other students also will be benefited. So let's start. Yaksibul laibul izza. Okay, li nafsihi wa qawmihi wa watnihi. Understand? Yaksabu means earns or gets. Laib, player. Izza means honor. Li nafsihi, for himself. Wa qawmihi means for his people. Wa watnihi, for his country. So the player get or earn the position or the honor or the dignity. Okay? Izza means position, honor or dignity. For himself and for his people and for his country or for his country. Okay. Wahuwa yastahidu liwasuli ilil hadaf. Hadaf means target or goal. Liwasuli means to get. Yastahidu means hard work. Okay. And he works hard to get or reach his goal. Huwa Najiyun Fazia, Faiz, understand? Or Huwa Naji wa Faiz. He gets success and win. Faiz means win, Naji means success. Al-Laibu An-Nashitu. See, again sun letter, so An-Nashitu Sadiqun fil amlihi. Amalihi means, Amalihi means his work. Sadiq means sincere or truthful. Nasheed means remain. The player remains active and sincere in his work. Okay, Sadiq, sincere, understand? And Nasheed means active. Okay. Wahuwa munazzim li awqatihi, and he organized or arranged his time. Li awqatihi means for his time or his time. Munazzim means arrange or organize. Wahuwa salimul badan. See, salimul badan means his body is unharmed. Okay, salim means unharmed or without any defect. Al-laibu mufidun jiddan lil saha. The sports or the game is very useful for the health. Jiddan means very much. Lil saha for the health, or lissahati for his health. Waliza yuqalu, and it is said. Okay. Well, liza means it is said. It is. Yuqalu means said, and it is said. Al jazdu, as-salim. Jazd means body. As-salim, hamil al aqal al salim. See, this is a proverb. Understand? The strong body having the strong mind. Aqal means mind. Salim means strong or complete. Fi bazil al-abi misli shatranj wal masarati yakunu laiban faqat. Laiban means two player. Faqat means only. Masara means this boxing or wrestling. Shatranj, this is the chess. Fi bazal ab. Ab means game. In some games, okay, like chess and boxing, there are only two players. Understand? Only two players. Laiban. Wa fil ab al ukhra misl kurra al qadam व क्रिकेट व कुर्रत सल्ला यलबु बिहा फरीक़ानी मिनल लाइबीन. Understand? Ukhra means al-lab ukhra means other. Lab means game, and in other games, masal means for example or like. Kurra al-qadam football, cricket, and kurra sallah basketball. Yalab means play, biha means with it, fariqan means two teams, min al-laibin from the players. So, and in other sports or other games like football and cricket and basketball, in these two teams of players play. Understanding? नहनु ज़ाहिबूना व ज़ाहिबातु लिमुशाहिदतिल अलआबिल मुख्तलिफ़ा हस्ब ज़ौक़िना व शौक़िना यफ़रहु. Understand? अल मुशाहिदूना वल मुशाहिदातु बिल्लाबिल जय्यदा. This is because I wrote here, it is little bit long sentence. Nahnu means we, Zahibun again because we for many, so Zahibun they are Zahibat, this is the male and this is the for female. Li mushahida to watch or to see, al-lab the game, mukhtalifa the different, hasb zawqan according to their interest. Okay, zawq means interest, wa shauq means choice. Okay, zawq choice and interest. Yafrahu al-mushahiduna enjoy by watching. Mushahidat again for the female coming. Okay, mushahidat and mushahidun for masculine noun, mushahidat for feminine. Okay, bil abil jayyada means with the good games. So what will be? We, male and female, because I wrote here, okay, male and female, because they are using zahibun and zahibat. So male and female go to watch or see the different games according to our likes or choice and interest. The male and female spectators enjoy the good games. Understand? Al-Hakumatu qaddamu tashilatin. Okay, tashilatin lil laibina wal laibat. Laibin means male players, laibat it is saying for the female players. Hakuma means government, taqaddamu means present and or offer, and tasilat means facilities. So the government offers facilities for the male and female players. यहसलु अल्लाइबु अल्फाइजु औ अल्लाइबतु अल्फाइजतु अलल जवाइज वल हिदाया मिनल हकूमती. यहसलु means get, अल्लाइब means male player, faiz means awards, or laiba again female players, faiza the awards or the gifts or the prize, alal jawaiz means at their wins, that okay. So hidayah gifts and jawaiz is the prize or the awards, min al hakuma from the government. So the female and female winners, winner players get the prize, awards and gifts from the government. Okay. Here our text has finished. Now go to start exercises or tamareen. Ajab al aslaha al atiya, answer the following question. Ma yaksab al laib, what gets or earns the player? Yaksabu al laib al izza li nafsihi wa qawmihi wa watnihi. Before we read already, he get the honor for himself and for his people and for his nation or country. Halal Okay, this is the hal, but al also halal laib. So ma yaksabu laib, what gets or on the player, yaksabu laib al-izza li nafsihi wa qawmihi wa watnihi. Hal laib munazzam al-awqatihi, is the player disciplined or arranged in his time. Naam. Okay, hal don't write, but write naam. Al-laib munazzam li awqatihi. Kam laiba. Okay, yujad fil masariya. How many players are in boxing? Only just write laiban yujad fil masariya. 2 players participates or present in the boxing. Man ya'til laibin al faizin al jawaiz wal hidayah. Who gives the prizes and gifts to the winning players? That's only man, don't write. Al hakuma yati al laibin al faizin al jawaiz wal hidayah. Okay, hal hakuma taqaddam tashilat tal laibin. Okay, does the government offers the facilities to the player? Naam, don't write. So don't write here hal. Naam al hakuma taqaddam tashilat al laibin. Okay, does the government offers the facilities to the players? Tasilat means facilities. Okay, taqaddam means present or gives. Understand? Question number 2. इमला अल फरागात बेस्म फ़ाइल मुनासिब मिन अल अफ़ाल अल मज़कूरा फ़िल क़ौसैन. Fill in the blanks with the proper verbs from the brackets verb. Okay, faragat blanks. Besmi means with the name. File means verb. Munasib means proper. Min al afal mazkura, following verbs in the qausain. Qausain means in the brackets. Qaus bracket, qausain brackets. Al jasd. See, jasd, jasad, al jasad al salim. The body. Jasad means body, not jism. Whole body. Okay. Al jasad al salim. Al aqal salim. What will come? Hamil. Understand? Means the jasad salim, this, the good body or healthy body carries the healthy brain. This is the hamal, so hamil, carries. Okay. Yujad fitanas faqat. Okay, you find or you get in the tennis how much? Lab, player, laiban, 2 players. Tanas, this is the tennis. Hunaka fariqan min fi qurra al qadam. Okay, how fariqan means teams, 2 teams. Min al laibin, from the players in qurra al qadam. There are 2 teams of players in the football. Laib will become al laibin. Haulai laibuna. Understand? Those are the faizun, because laibun is there and haula is there, because there are many, so that's why haula. Faizun. There are the winner players. Faiz will become faizun because of haula. Nahnu zahibun wa limushahid al-ab abal mukhtalifa. Zahab is there, so zahibat will come, because nahnu will come zahibun wa zahibat. Zahibun, this is the for the male, and zahibat for the female. Understanding? Now, 3rd question. Za ism fa'il min kull fa'il min al afal al atiya wa istam tamla fil jumla mufida. Okay, file we have to check in this from the works, or this is the, just you can say this fi'l amr. Understand? So sharab means drink, sharib drinker. Amal means work and amil is the worker. Qad means sit, qaid means seated. Sama means listen, samia means listener. Hifz means memorize and hafiz memorizer. Akmal al falaghat बेस्म फ़ाइल मुनासबा कमा हुआ फिल मिसालैन तालीम. Okay, fill in the blanks as with the file, proper file as in the two examples. कतब हामिदुन व हुआ कातिब. Okay. Number 2, ज़हाबत आयशा हिया ज़ाहिबा. Understand? So Hamid write, so he is the writer. Aisha go, so she is the goer. Understand? Abad Mahmud Fahuwa. What will come? Abid. From Abad it will become the Abid. See? Fahuwa, so he is Abid. So worship is praiseworthy. Abad Mahmud. Understand? Or if we will say, so in other words we can say, if we will take is the ism Mahmud, so then it will come Mahmud is a Mahmud worships, but so he is a worshipper. Fahuwa Abid. This is the Abid. Ba, it is here little typing mistake. Qaraat Jamila. Her voice is beautiful, or she sings or she reads beautiful. Okay. Fahiya, so she is qariya, so she is a reader. Understand? So reading is beautiful, or she reads beautiful, so she is a reader. Nadama zalimun. Understand? Faham nadimun. Nadam will become nadimun. So unjust, nadam means unjust or arbitrary, is repentance or regretful. Understand? So they are regretful, nadimun. Safar Wajid wa William fiha musafiran. Safar will become musafiran. Wajid and William travel, so they are the travelers. Understand? Namat al talibat. Okay. Fahanna naimat. Students slept. Understand? Namat means, nam means sleep, namat because of talibat, namat talibat, so they are the sleeper. Understand? So here we have finished our lesson. Inshallah, take care of you and continue your study online, and thank you very much for your